Welcome to today's session. In line with LO2, be able to develop education and training programs, we will explore how to design programs that meet learner needs and align with industry demands. This session highlights the strategic planning process that ensures clear, meaningful learning outcomes. The aim of this unit is to develop understanding of preparing education and training provision. It involves creating resources from scratch and adapting existing ones. The focus is on supporting learners' needs effectively. Preparation of learning environments and materials is crucial. Examples include IT-based resources and workbooks. Program development starts with a clear rationale. Identifying skills gaps and responding to industry demand are essential. Needs analysis involves labor market research and stakeholder consultation. Without a clear purpose, programs lack direction. The analysis ensures programs meet learner progression needs. Once needs are identified, define program aims and objectives. Aims are broad intentions, while objectives specify what to achieve. Learning outcomes must be clear, measurable, and aligned with frameworks. Constructive alignment supports these outcomes. Curriculum design organizes learning effectively. Curriculum design determines how learning is sequenced. Consider logical progression and balance of theory and practice. Models like Tyler's objectives model may inform design. The structure must support gradual learning development. It ensures reinforcement and consolidation of knowledge. Selecting teaching strategies involves considering learner characteristics. Methods may include lectures, workshops, and e-learning. Strategies should reflect subject requirements and resource availability. Adult learning principles emphasize relevance and practical application. Effective strategies align with program objectives. Assessment measures achievement of learning outcomes. Design should ensure validity, reliability, and fairness. Methods include written assignments and practical observations. Formative assessment supports learning. Summative evaluates achievement. Clear marking criteria and feedback mechanisms are essential. Programs must be accessible and inclusive. Development includes differentiated activities and reasonable adjustments. Materials should use inclusive language and reflect cultural sensitivity. Equality principles must be embedded from the design stage. This ensures all learners can participate fully. Risk management is integral to program development. It includes health and safety considerations and safeguarding procedures. Data protection and online safety protocols are crucial. Risk assessments are necessary for practical elements. These measures protect both learners and the organization. Resource planning ensures sustainable delivery. Identify qualified staff, materials, and digital platforms. Partnerships with industry can enhance resources. Planning must consider library and research materials. Ensure resources align with program objectives. Quality assurance is integrated from the start. It includes internal verification and standardization meetings. Learner feedback systems and data monitoring are essential. Evaluation mechanisms should be built in, not added later. These processes ensure program effectiveness. Regular program reviews are crucial. Monitoring involves achievement data and stakeholder feedback. Peer observations and external reports provide insights. Findings inform continuous improvement and curriculum revision. This ensures programs remain relevant and effective. Learning outcomes provide direction and clarity. They define what competence looks like and ensure alignment. Outcomes guide teaching methods and assessment strategies. Clear expectations reduce learner anxiety. They support assessment, validity, and maintain quality standards. A program plan must be coherent and strategic. It defines aims, objectives, and communication strategies. Evaluation structures allow for monitoring and improvement. Gap analysis identifies missing content and avoids duplication. Planning ensures alignment with organizational goals. Assessment planning aligns with learning outcomes. It involves designing valid and reliable assessment methods. Mapping ensures every outcome is tested appropriately. Implementation includes clear communication and feedback opportunities. Evaluation informs continuous improvement. Producing resources is a structured process. Resources must support learning outcomes and assessment. They should be inclusive and reflect diversity. Feedback from learners and tutors improves quality. Resources must remain relevant and responsive to needs. Effective communication is key in resource production. Written materials must be clear and concise. Verbal communication clarifies expectations and reinforces points. Nonverbal elements like design and layout enhance engagement. Collaboration ensures consistency and quality. Developing education programs requires strategic curriculum design and compliance alignment. A coherent curriculum and smart targets ensure a learner-focused approach. Properly designed programs support competency development and continuous improvement. This is the conclusion of the video. Questions? Reach out via WhatsApp at 07-484-361-688. Our team is always happy to help. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.